Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the hose connector on a Kenmore Progressive Canister Vacuum. It's the 360 swivel. If you want to know the model, here's the model. And the piece that goes here is what it's going to be replaced. It's called the hose connector. It's this piece right here. Okay, right now I have the new piece that I just got. Okay, I already started to put it in. I'm gonna take apart again and show you how it works. Okay, this is the process to remove the old one. Okay, this is the old one, and this is the new one. And what happened is, when you're gonna remove this cover is gonna be in. This cover is gonna be in, and this is the hardest part of the process, is remove this cap. How you do that? You see the hose has this L shape. Okay, imagine this way, and the cap is on. Okay, the cap's gonna be on. What you have to do is press the cap with a vise or a clamp. Press it right on this part, on top and bottom. Let's call, you see how it is? So let's call this in the bottom and then the top, in order to open the sides to release this clip right here. These two clips, this one and this one. When you push this way, the sides open up and it comes off. Don't be afraid to press hard. So since you pull this out, maybe you have to twist a little bit to go out. Unplug the wires. Let me take it off and show you again how to put this in. Okay, this is the new piece that came in. This is the hose. So all you have to do, this grooves right here is where the wire goes from the hose, and this grooves right here is where these wires go. So just push it in. Okay, this clip's gonna get 2 loops of the hose. That's enough. That's it. So now what we're gonna have to do, let me twist this a little bit. Pull this leaves, pull it out in order to connect the wires. You just have to match the colors, white with white, blue with blue, and yellow with yellow. Okay, this yellow one's a little bit too loose. I think I'm gonna get a plier and tighten it a little bit. Okay, what you have to do in case this is too loose, I'm gonna stick that in. And tighten that a little bit. And clip it. That's good enough. That's enough. Okay. Oh, it's pretty good. Push into the grooves in order to stay. Pull the cover, this blue sleeves to cover the connection. Okay, now this is how it goes back together. See this detail right here? It's fake. This one is going this way. That's how it goes. Because right there is where the other piece connects to this one. It's hard to push. Okay, here you see these two lines. Align them in order to go in. Okay, this piece was a little bit too hard to push it in, so what I had to do is press with the clamp a little bit in order to release the pressure a little bit on the sides. And remember, these seams needs to be lined. You're gonna see where this piece right here, it has to run into a slot. You're gonna see the slot inside of this piece, but if you just line these seams, it works good. It is really hard to push it back in, but that's it. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Hi YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the hose connector on a Kenmore Progressive Canister Vacuum. It's the 360 swivel. If you want to know the model, here's the model. And the piece that goes here is what it's going to be replaced. It's called the hose connector. It's this piece right here. Okay, right now I have the new piece that I just got. Okay, I already started to put it in. I'm gonna take